I want to briefly tell you about how you choose a winner using Wall Street smoking gun. Okay, there's a typical list. This is reported every day, during the market session, after the market closes. Now, the tendency for newcomers is to look at this list and go, oh, so do I just buy these? Do I just trade those? The answer is no. It's not that easy. I wish it were. But you have to get a confirmation. You have to look at these and decide which one is a good play. Now, what I usually do is start walking through from the top, and I look at the charts. Now, the total analysis of the chart is beyond the scope of this video. We'll cover that later. But for the most part, I'll glance at the chart and I'll wait for one to jump out. Now, in this particular day, the one that jumped out to me was SFUN. Why? It's because I'll show you a more detailed chart. This is a 15-minute chart of that stock. And right there is what I would call a resistance line. And as you can see, that stock is breaking out of the resistance line. In addition, there's pretty heavy volume. That is a green light for me because it's on the smoking gun list, which means somebody's making a really big bet on that stock for the future. And here it is coming alive. Now, let me show you what happens if you were to trade it right then and there. For the rest of the day, look what it does. It soars. That particular stock, you would have made 6.8% in less than a day. Now, this is no coincidence. You'll find one after another like that when you start with the smoking gun list. And you see, the smoking gun list are indicators. They are stocks to take a look at. The fact is, without Wall Street Smoking Gun Report, your chart analysis must be nearly perfect to have a solid win percent. Also a fact, using Wall Street Smoking Gun, your chart analysis does not need to be nearly as sharp for a high win percentage. So you see, using Smoking Gun greatly enhances any chart analysis you could ever do. So, it replaces more than 50% of your chart analysis. If nothing else, your trading results will improve dramatically. So, in summary, walk through the list of unusual option volumes. Examine charts using common sense evaluation. Remember, it doesn't have to be that precise because you have smoking gun to begin with. You see, go with the stocks that confirm to be on the move. You'll be pleasantly surprised how often you have chosen a winner.